Hey, good morning everybody. This is Matt Reisinger with Reisinger Homes. Welcome to my video blog on green building and building science. I'm here with John Stassany from Terry Maxwell Electric. John just wired up something really cool I wanted to show you. This is a device by Lutron. It's their Maestro Wireless. And John just did all the wiring on this remodel project. Believe it or not, this house was a 1980s house that was the ugly duckling on the street. We've done an extensive remodel out here, including an addition. If you can pan over there, Chad, and show the addition on the right-hand side. And then we totally changed the entry and the garage on this house. And one of the things we wanted to do for this client was make some of the switching easier. And with this Maestro wireless system, it's really easy. So this is actually a car visor. And John, show us what this does. So John's got this remote. I think John's actually mute. He's not talking today. But if you hit the on button when you're driving in, it'll turn those lights on. Hit the off button, it'll turn them off. And the other cool thing is it has a favorite setting, so if they want to dim these and set them to a favorite adjustment, they'll just hit the setting here, and we'll show you in a second how we program these inside. So let's come on inside and let's show you how this works.
Turn off.
Okay, we're back inside now, and this is what those switches look like up close now. You can see we're hitting the on, and then these are the two wireless dimmers right here. And the way you can tell on the inside they're wireless, there's a little squiggly line down here at the bottom. Other than that, they look like a standard Lutron dimmer. Of course, you can dim them up and down, and it's got a nice little LED that shows you. And then if you hit the favorites button, it's going to dim them to our favorite, which is the 50% level for these outside lights. So John, will you show us how these program?
What you do is tap the switch and hold it.
And it's hard to see in the video, but the light is blinking now.
Eventually, when they all start blinking, you let go and then you hold the off button. It's about 6 seconds,
And now all of a sudden, the LED has gone
up
and down twice.
on and off.
So now hit the on button and we'll show that it's been programmed. Yeah, awesome. So that's all it takes, super easy, really anybody could do this. And the nice thing about this is, in this location we don't have a three-way, it's just a single location switch. So this switch works the sconces in the garage, the other switch works the entryway. So in this house we just have two switches we had to program, and these two dimmers are super easy to program, as you can see. Just hold these in, hit the off button, a couple seconds later you got them programmed. And if these clients wanted to add another switch, let's say they wanted to make these entry lights inside the house, all they'd have to do is take out one of these standard switches, switch that out with a Maestro, and then do that same programming. So it's super easy. It's a great system, and they're fairly affordable too. They're not that expensive, about $150 for a switch and a dimmer together. So it's not that expensive. Thanks for joining me, and if you have some needs for some wireless dimming, please check out the Lutron Maestro Wireless. Very, very nice product. Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you next time.